Waterproof floating hand grip compatible with GoPro Hero 10-9876543 plus 2-1 Session Black Silver Camera Handler Handle Mount Accessories Kit Water for water sport and action cameras, green. Never lose another GoPro camera. The floaty body design of the handler will keep the camera on the water surface, prevent it from drowning. The bright color cup at the bottom of the handle allows for increased visibility, easy spotting retrieval in water. Perfect for photography during deep-sea diving, snorkeling, scuba diving, swimming, surfing, other water sports activities. Textured EVA non-slip grip handle for tight grip. The design of the stick factors for the wet condition that the grip will be used in. The high-quality non-slip foam handle delivers tight grip and extra comfort. The grip used as a camera stabilizer provides easy aiming and allows you to capture a variety of angles with increased stability and control. This pocket-sized portable lightweight hand grip is 7 inches tall and only weighs under 80 grams. A great addition to your GoPro accessories. Multi-purpose hollow compartment. Keep your essentials safe while in water. The watertight compartment of the grip can be used either as a storage for your valuable small items to keep dry, or to achieve neutral buoyancy during scuba diving, snorkeling, other underwater activities. When the handle grip is filled with water, it hovers neutrally underwater without forcing its way up to the surface. While used with no water in the chamber, it turns into a camera floater and float on water surface. Pocket-sized portable and lightweight. The hand grip is 7 inches tall and only weighs under 80 grams and can be used both on land and in the water. This compact and lightweight floating stick is fully compatible with GoPro HD Silver and Black Hero 10, Hero 9, Hero 8, Hero 7, Hero 1, Hero 2, Hero 3, Hero 3 Plus, Hero 4, Hero 4s, Hero 6, Hero 5 Session Edition. No other mount accessories are required. The mount tilts 180 degrees, providing increased shooting possibilities. Get more for your money. Free accessories set included. A high-quality wrist strap and a carabiner is included in the pack or free. The grip is backed by 100% guarantee that you are fully satisfied with your product or receive your money back. Never lose another action camera to deep waters. Great design and collection of accessories included. Bring safety to your GoPro camera and enjoy recording the best moments you capture in or around the water. Our floating hand grip will keep your GoPro afloat when plunged or submerged in the water. Great design. This grip provides extra grip in wet condition. Offers 180 degrees of tilt to help you get the perfect angle. Solid build, wide range compatibility, solid mounting attachments built for any environment's weather conditions. Fully compatible with all GoPro other action cameras. Multifunctional, the grip can be used as a floating hand grip or turn into a natural buoyancy under the water. Compact and lightweight, a highly portable, pocket-sized handle grip. Whether you are deep-sea diving, snorkeling, scuba diving, swimming, surfing, or engaging in other water sports activities, our floating hand grip is the best choice of floating grip for you. Lightweight. Robust design. Multi-purpose hollow compartment. Textured EVA non-slip handle for tight grip. Upgraded stainless steel, rust-proof screws. Pick your color of choice. Orange, green, blue, yellow, rose red. Great value. Get more for your money. Great value. Package content. 1x floating hand grip. 1x long screw. 1x high quality wrist strap. 1x carabiner. Note, the cameras in the images are not included in the bundle. Great value. Get more for your money. Great value. Package content. 1x floating hand grip. 1x long screw. 1x high quality wrist strap. 1x carabiner. Note, the cameras in the images are not included in the bundle. Great value. Get more for your money. Great value. Package content. 1x floating hand grip. 1x long screw. 1x high quality wrist strap. 1x carabiner. Note, the cameras in the images are not included in the bundle. Great value, get more for your money. Great value, package content. 1x floating hand grip. 1x long screw. 1x high quality wrist strap. 1x carabiner. Note, the cameras in the images are not included in the bundle.